there, welcome to the Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with a beginner tutor about how to draw a rose. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to draw a rose flower and leaf. Start by drawing a small spiral in the center of the page. These will be the innermost part of the rose, where the petals are tightly packed. Draw curved lines around the spiral to form the first layer of petals. Keep the lines loose and wavy to mimic the natural shapes of rose petals. Continue adding more layers of petals around the previous one, each layer getting slightly larger and more open. The petals should curve outward as you move away from the center. As you reach the outer layers, the petals should become larger and more open. Make the edges of these petals softer and less defined, adding a sense of natural flow. Now draw the stem. Extend it two parallel lines downwards from the bottom of the rose to form the stem. Make sure the lines taper slightly toward the bottom. You can add a small pointed triangle along the stem to represent the crown. From the stem, draw a few curved lines standing outward. These will be for the leaf. For each leaf, draw an elongated oval shape with a pointed tip. Rose leaves tropically. Now it's time for coloring. Before coloring, you can erase all outlines. Choose a red pencil crayons as your base color. Lightly shade in the entire rose, making sure to follow the shapes of petals. Use a darker shade of red to add depth to the inner parts of the petals, where they overlap or where shadows fall. Gradually blend the colors by applying gentle pressure with your pencil. Highlight the outer edges of the petals with a white or very light pink pencil crayons to give the rose a natural gradient effect. use a light green pencil crayon to color the stem and leaves. To add depth, use a darker green for the areas where the leaves and stem overlap or where shadows fall. Blend the darker and lighter greens together to create a smooth transition. Use a brown or dark green pencil to light shades the tone and add shadows to the stem. Using black marker, if you want you can use your crayon pencil like white or black to make the flower colors natural. Gently blend the color by layering and adjusting the pressure on the pencil crayons until you are satisfied with the result. This method will give you rose a realistic look with a smooth blend of colors. Enjoy your drawing. That's all for today. Bye bye. See you later.